is a beautiful day. The sun is up. Time to wake up. Fold the blanket neat and square. Brush up and down, round and round. 1, 2, 3, clean face for me. Why do we wash hands before eating? Because it washes away the germs. To wash away germs and stay healthy. Hat is on, ready to go. Boots are on, ready to work. Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. Yummy eggs give me energy. Drink your milk, grow up tall. I can clean up my plate. Clean table, happy house. Do we have everything? Yes, let's go to the farm. Hop on, Mia. Buckle up for safety. Here we go. Rolling, rolling down the lane. What color are those flowers? They are bright, bright red. Yellow, yellow, shine brining bright. Look at the blue butterfly. Good morning, Mr. Cow. Moo, moo, says the cow. Moo, na, moo. We are crossing the bridge now. Slow down for safety. I see the farm. What sound is that? Cluck, cluck. It is the chickens. We are here to work and play. Hello, chickens. Let's park neatly here. Sweep, sweep, sweep the floor. Clean up, everybody do your share. Careful, little chicks. We work better together. I dropped it. Here you go, let me help. What is this broom for? To sweep the dust away. Look how clean it is.
Wipe the bowl for the hens.
The water is low. Miss Hen is happy now. What do chickens eat? They love corn and grains. This helps them grow strong. Clean yard, happy farm. Good job, Mia. Dinner time for chickens. Eat up, little chicks. Yum, yum, yum. Look, they are in a line. Peck, peck, peck the corn. One, two, three, chicks. How many chickens are there? There are 5 chickens. 5 hungry Plymouth Rock chickens. Drink water, stay cool. Don't waste water. Soft and fluffy, little friend. We must be gentle.
Follow the leader.
What color are her feathers? Orange and brown. Which one is bigger? The mother hen is big. Whew. She is going to lay an egg. We must be quiet and wait. Waiting for an egg today. Look, an egg. It is a white egg. This one is brown. Wow, a light blue egg. Colors, colors everywhere. Hold it gently. Do not break. Safe in the basket. The basket is full. Let's count them again. Let's count them again. Which pile has more? The basket, how many eggs? Heavy basket. Use 2 hands. Soft straw protects the eggs. Tie it tight so it won't fall. Good job. It is safe. Goodbye, Mrs. Hen. She is waving goodbye. Going home, going home. The sun is going down. What did we learn today? We learned to count and share. What says cluck cluck? A chicken. Ah! Ha! Ha! Home sweet home. Mommy, Daddy. Look at our eggs. Wash hands after work. I am responsible. Let's eat together. What a happy day! Gang, shall we farm again tomorrow? Wait. Yeah? Yes! We love nature. See you next time. Little Bloom World. Yay!